Time to whip up some Krabby Patties. Not if I steal the formula first.
Oh, no, you don't. It's mine now. Give it back. You'll never catch me. Safe and sound.
Another wonderful day in Bikini Bottom. I can't wait to cook delicious Krabby Patties.
Ah, yes. Okay, go.
Sizzle. Perfect. The Krabby Patty magic begins.
Me secret recipe is safe and sound, and nobody can steal it. Soon the secret recipe will be mine. Hey, SpongeBob! I'm hungry for Krabby Patties!
Juren, I Krabby Patty scribed in. One super delicious Krabby Patty coming right up. This is my chance to grab the recipe. Help me. Oh. What was that sound? Almost there. The recipe will finally be mine! Something strange is happening in my kitchen.
Time to unlock this treasure!
Plankton, what are you doing here? Stop right there, Plankton!
Never! You throw it back! I can't jump up my tool! Huh? What's going on?
Just one more code. You're not stealing the recipes today! Sin, Papi did. Yes, we did it. Not so fast!
The recipe! Paper snack meal! Patrick, that's not food!
But it says recipe! It's for making food, not eating!
So I can't eat it?
No, Patrick, you can't.
Give it me!
You'll never get it back!
What's happening to me recipe? That's the one! I'm escaping with the recipe!
I won't let you get away!
You'll never catch me, SquarePants! Take that!
The recipe is slices of the red pages.
Good job, SpongeBob! I almost had it.
Back to cooking.
Yeah. Best eat. Safe again. Another normal day down.
Order up! Fresh Krabby Patties for everyone! Cooking always makes me so happy.
Thanks to SpongeBob, the secret recipe is safe and the Krusty Krab is saved. Wow, SpongeBob! These are the best burgers in the entire ocean! Business is booming! That secret recipe, it was worth a fortune! I'll be back for that recipe one day!
Another perfect day at the Krabby Kitchen. Here you go, everyone. Fresh and delicious. Oh.
SpongeBob, you're the best chef ever! Yes, another Krabby Patty.
Super Chef SpongeBob is ready!
Money, money, money! Money, money, money! Oops! Sorry! Hi! Sorry. These Krabby Patties are amazing! Maybe just one more try. Shh, almost there. Yes!
Did I hear something again?
Mom, the tiny green guy! See you once, I will study the brain die.
Retreat! He'll never steal the secret recipe!
Extra safe now! Ah!
Perfect flip. Ah, flip!
That was awesome! I need a vacation.
Best restaurant in Bikini Bottom! Cooking makes everyone happy!
You
to save the Krabby Kitchen!
Anything for the Krusty Krab!
More Krabby Patties, please!
Sunny Patties. Coming right up!
You're the best friend ever! Friends forever!
Yeah, friends forever!
This place is a success!
Maybe today wasn't terrible.
Chef SpongeBob saves the day! One last order. Wow. Enjoy.
Best day ever!
Another amazing day. Kitchen cleaned.
Time to close!
See you tomorrow.
Oh, bet shorty. Best burgers ever!
What a wonderful day.
Good night, Bikini Bottom.
And the secret recipe is safe forever!
Today was an amazing adventure. The secret recipe is safe.
The Krabby Kitchen is saved, and every burgers where Senior Bottom is happy.
Super, du crimes tea.